In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Gain. First, a quick overview so the number you're about to look at makes sense. On Myfxbook, Gain is the headline percentage that shows how much an account has grown since tracking began. It's not just a simple profit figure, it's a compounded percentage that adjusts for deposits and withdrawals, so you're seeing the strategy's performance rather than the effect of adding or removing funds. Think of it as the cleanest snapshot of growth over time. To get started, log in to Myfxbook. Use the website or the app, whichever you prefer, and make sure you're signed in to the profile that has the trading account you want to check. If you manage multiple accounts, glance at the list so you're sure you're opening the right one. Being on the correct profile avoids confusion later when you interpret the numbers. Next, open your account or system page. This is the dedicated page for the trading account you want to analyze. You'll usually get there by clicking the account name from your portfolio or systems list. Once you're on that page, you'll see several sections that summarize performance, balance, equity, and history. Now, look for the Stats section. This area consolidates key metrics in one place, so you don't have to dig through charts to understand how the account is doing. It's typically presented as a panel that includes growth, drawdown, and other high-level figures. Give the page a moment to load if you've just opened it, especially if the account has a long history. Within the Stats section, find Gain %. This is the primary growth metric. A positive number indicates the account has grown since tracking began. A negative number means it's down overall. Because the figure is compounded, small, consistent returns can add up meaningfully over time. If you've made deposits or withdrawals along the way, the gain number accounts for them, so it reflects strategy performance rather than cash movements. If you notice the gain rising while balance changes seem uneven, that's frequently due to the compounding effect and how Myfxbook normalizes returns. As you interpret gain, consider context. A high gain in a very short time might come with higher risk. A steady gain over many months can indicate more consistent performance. It can also be helpful to glance at related stats nearby, such as drawdown and monthly averages, to round out your understanding of the risk-return profile, even though gain remains your top-line growth number. That's it. Log in, open your account page, go to Stats, and read Gain. With those steps, you'll quickly understand how the account has performed since tracking began.